Welcome to the channel. My name is Patrick, and in today's video we're going to be doing some setup for our next section in the SwiftUI tutorial from Apple. This is the animating views and transitions. Unfortunately, before we start going into the animations process, we do have to download the sample app to give us some of the information that we need. Now, during this video, I'll be labeling the files that we need to have in our project right now, and then start going through the animations and transition process. So stick with me. This will be a real quick video. This will get us set up for the next section. Thank you for watching.